Okay, so Google has updated Calendar, so I just wanted to make another video showing the new changes to Calendar on how to use a Google form to submit calendar events in one comma separated value or CSV spreadsheet. So first thing I need to do is create an event. So I'm going to just type one out. All these fields are required, start date and start time. If one really important change for this year is if the end date is not the same as the start date, meaning there are two performances or multiple performances, please submit a separate submission for each event. So if you have a drama production on Friday and Saturday, please submit one for Friday and then resubmit another for Saturday. That makes the upload process go a lot smoother and the calendar looks a lot better. So I'll just complete this. Okay, another new addition for this year is I've pre-populated with all of the schools as the location. So just select the school where the performance is being held and then click Submit. Again, if a performance is being repeated, you have a matinee as well as an evening performance, please submit a separate Google form response for each of those. So these get put into a Google form, which then submits it into a Google spreadsheet. So what I want to do at this point is I'm going to simply download this as a comma separated values, and I'm going to open that up Microsoft Excel just to show you this is what it looks like in the spreadsheet or the CSV. We don't need the timestamp column, so I'll go ahead and delete that. But these column headers are very important. They need to be there just as they are because this is how Google is expecting to receive them. So when we're done, we just click on Save. It's asking if you want to make sure you don't want to save it as an Excel file instead of a CSV. We're going to save it as a CSV, so we're going to keep using that format. So then it's saved in my downloads file. So what I need to do then is go to my Google Calendar. I'm just uploading this to my Google Calendar, and they've put the import feature into the settings menu, which is this gray gear or cog, and we just click on settings, and then over on the left hand side we click on import and export. Select the file from the computer. So here is the CSV file that I just created, and I'm going to open it up. You can select what calendar to add it to. For this purposes, I'm adding it to my Google Calendar, and I just click on import. So it says 1 out of 1 events have been imported, and when I go back, I can see that the band concert has been submitted to the calendar. And that's really all there is to uploading the events in a CSV to Google Calendar.